Well, we had our first official hiccup after receiving an email from our first moving partner stating that they would be unable to do our move. When we decided this whole process, I contacted TQL, Total Quality Logistics. It's a great company, it's local here in Cincinnati. And I informed them what we were doing. And the first thing I was told was, oh, well, we don't do personal moves. We only do business moves. Well, thankfully, we have a business. And I informed them that, hey, we do have a business. Here's the business license number, and we'll conduct the move under that. The booking agent that I was working with told me, hey, you go ahead and you box everything up, you write out the inventory, and you palletize it. We'll come pick it up and we'll take it from there. So $2,000 in 3 weeks and countless hours later, we have everything packaged, wrapped up, inventoried, and palletized. And when I got back in touch with the booking agent to let them know, he informed me that their international team would be unwilling to ship it because it was deemed a personal move, and we had already packaged everything up. I have to admit I was more than a little upset. I took the subject matter experts' advice and their instructions, and due to just miscommunication, they were unable to fulfill that. As soon as I heard that, I jumped online, looked for other international shipping companies. I found a company called Schumacher Logistics Company. I immediately contacted them, informed them of what was going on and what my situation was, and they said, look, we'll see what we can do. And within 48 hours, they had gotten back to me and said, we can take care of it. Unfortunately, because I had packed up all of our stuff, I would have to unpack the 5 pallets and open every one of the boxes so that the new shipping company can come in and their movers can inventory and repack anything that needs to be repacked. Thinking, this is gonna take forever. It really didn't. It took about 3 hours, unboxed everything, got all the boxes unsealed and ready to go. And so far, smooth sailing. Now, my father-in-law, Tom, was a sailor. And one of the things that he would always say when we were out on the water is, you can't control the wind, but you can control the sail. So that's what we're doing. As the winds shift, we adjust our sails, and we're still on track. So my advice is ask questions. Even the simplest questions, ask. Make sure that you've got clarity on the things that you're asking your shipping company. Make sure that they understand exactly the type of move you're doing. And even with every piece of documentation in the world, the winds can shift.